English.
Thanks, Honorable Milnadur Rahman sir, for giving me a chance to say something about our farewell function. Please keep silent, please. Bagila High School's farewell functions, Honorable Headmaster, Assistant Headmaster, Honorable UP Chairman Mizanur Rahman, and Honorable Political Leader, Social Worker, Honorable Guardian, elite person, SSC candidate, others students, take my sincerely welcome. I want to say something. You have learned how to fill in OMR paper, how to fill answer script. You have already completed. So I have nothing to say. I want to say something. Another topics, dear students. Be careful. Everybody, listen to me, please. English is an international and global language because if you want to be global citizen, if you want to be a smart citizen, you must know English, okay? Because our student could not pass any exam, then you go abroad. What is reason? Bangladesh is an unskilled worker go abroad. For this reason, they earn poor money. So I have slogan, it's your essential, your life. Fluent speaker, brighter future. After SSC exam, what will you do it? I request to you, you practice in English minimum 5 minutes, then you will be a great man. If you don't learn English, you will be a poor man. So now, okay, understood? This is my request. English is an global citizen. You want to be a global citizen, you must know English, okay? No more today. Thanks all. Thank Honorable Headmaster, Honorable Political Person, you be leader and sorts and manks. Thank you very much. May Almighty bless you until the exam is over. May all animal be free from all sorrow. Thanks. Once again, thanks.